What if schools, as we know them, simply vanished? Welcome to the AI-powered revolution in education. Say hello to personalized AI tutors, designed to adapt to your pace, your mood, and your mind. No more one-size-fits-all education. These intelligent companions analyze your strengths, correct your weaknesses, and never repeat the same mistake twice. For every child, a unique learning journey. In any subject. At any hour. Why be limited to a local classroom, when AI can bring the world to your desk? Virtual classrooms powered by AI and the metaverse connect students worldwide, breaking language, location, and even curriculum barriers. You don't just read about ancient Rome, you walk through it. You don't just solve equations, you see them come to life in 3D. But learning might go even deeper. Brain-computer interfaces are being designed to bypass screens altogether, connecting thoughts directly to knowledge. Imagine learning physics, not in years, but in minutes. No books. No typing. Just direct neural experience. So, are we witnessing the end of traditional schools, or the beginning of a smarter, more connected way to learn? In this AI-driven future, the tools are changing, but the question remains, will the essence of education, human curiosity, remain untouched?
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing AI-generated content. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.